Okay, let me show you what I got going on in the shop today. It's been a busy, hectic day. Still welding parts. I'm knocking the stack down. Got some there. Some hinges for my grill. Some small parts that need to be welded. Here's the lid to my grill. And then on this side over here, this is the bottom of the grill. There's a door here, and then this will slide out. That'll slide out so you can clean out the grill. That's coming along nicely. It's a template for a post I did yesterday, and here's the clean out. These get welded on here, and then that'll be the clean out and the smokestack for the grill. And what we got going on over here, these showed up today. Some little lamps, they're not too big. They're only about 5 foot tall. We're supposed to get 2 of these a week for some repairs. And this was a job I did a while back that I built the entire boat. The deck is 1/4 inch aluminum. It's got 3x3 angle. The spuds, this is why it's here right now, they broke both of the front spuds. They broke both of them because they had the spuds down and they had a cable on the crane. But here, this is 1/2 inch aluminum. I built the base for the crane, did all the wiring for the crane. I built the console from scratch, the hangers on the side, platform in the back, the battery box. There's the console, did all the wiring, the gauges, built the fuel tank, built the thing that holds the fuel tank. Console come out really nice. The console, the gauges, the gauge cluster thing there, that's removable so you can get to the gauges. That's all custom made by me. I have all the files that I drew up for that. Inside the console there's a shelf. On the bottom shelf it holds all the batteries for the crane, and then they have a pump. But yeah, I did this. I finished this the end of last year, and then I got another one that I'll be building. I have all the aluminum up there to skin the other one. They're flat deck boat. I'm also building another crane boat. There's all the aluminum for the other boat. This showed up today. I gotta repair the trailer, gotta repair the dumpster. This showed up today. This needs a floor, complete floor in it. The horse trailer's still here. That's later on in the month. Dumpster gets the sides extended. I got this. This needs sides. It needs the tongue where it's removable. This needs a bunch of work. Fender needs to be repaired on this. So yeah, I'm pretty busy. Oh, let's not forget that I also have to do this mower deck needs done. and the guy still hasn't come picked up the beds, which I have right there. So hopefully he'll come pick up them beds. And there's my favorite bumper sticker. It's my favorite bumper sticker. Yeah, these get repaired. Probably work on those this week. Oh, still gotta clean that up. Yeah, as you can see, I have an eventful week. Never ending. I got a couple mobile jobs that I got to do this week also. I think I got 3 mobile jobs to do. I'm stretched out. I'm extremely busy. Just when I think I can try to catch up, you know, more stuff shows up. I work Saturday on the food service trailer. That's coming back Monday for generator cover. I also have a Ford Torino coming in for a friend that needs floor pans. I don't normally do floor pans or body work, even though I got ASC certified D3 non-structural. I learned how to do body work before I learned how to weld, but I don't like doing body work. Since it's a friend of mine and I got 30 feet of handrailing to do as well, I'm doing the floor pans for him. It's fairly easy on this car. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be doing those either. I'm busy. I'm sure I've said that a few times, but yeah, I'm extremely busy. Thank God I got help that can help me. But you know, you do good work, you're always going to have work. People are always going to come to you. It's a good thing. I enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I'm happy. Oh, let's not forget, I still got to do this job also. I got a lot of work wrote down. It's time for me to get this pontoon boat fixed.